I got handed the keys to the RX8. Haven't driven this thing since I was like, I don't know, like 18. So a lot has happened to it since. But like I said in the previous videos, we're going to try to restore it and bring it back to its former glory. Better than its former glory. Like change the front bumper. See if we can re-clear this hood. Man. Be good to get this thing back to how it used to be. All right, so it's been years since I've been in this thing, but we're gonna. When did you get it to say that? I don't remember that.
Yeah, a long time.
No way.
Yeah.
No, it's the same thing.
Yeah, don't give it gas though. It doesn't need
Oh,
gas.
okay, okay. No. I remember that, huh?
It starts every time though.
Okay, so just keep turning it?
Yeah, try it again.
I'm flooding this thing.
Okay. I know.
All right.
I'll get it to start right away, watch.
I lost the skills on how to start this thing. All right, you're up.
Oh, jeez.
The heck?
Flooded it.
Yeah.
Gotta clear itself out.
Yeah. Rotary without smoke isn't truly a rotary. All right, well, I lost the skills on how to start this thing. I used to have to go through that back in the day. I remember when we did these screens. But yeah. All right, I'm gonna try to. Damn. The clutch grabs at very high. Down the street and turn around, but holy crap, it's been years. It's still one of my favorite cars, man, ever. And when we built this thing in 2004, there wasn't really many cars like this on the road, so it was like a big achievement for us when we built it, and a lot of learning on what to do and what not to do came from this car. So it's really nice to get back in the driver's seat of it and, you know, just take it all in. somewhere. Like there. Grab point is so crazy high. Oh my god. The sounds though, holy crap. Yeah. That's what it's about, man. This car definitely, we need to bring it back. So high, oh my god. That was like a blast from the past, man. That was awesome.